Hi, I have another lesson for you. This time it's a phonics lesson, but before we get started, let's do a quick warm up and talk about the red words that you've had over the past few weeks. Like this one that you had last week, and it's the word answer. How about toward? Read them with me. Build, above, sure, guess, full, put, only, eyes. That's a new one for this week. Eyes. Another new one, enough. And your last new one for this week is the word do, which you're all very familiar with already. All right. Now we're going to talk about hard G and soft G. And last week we did hard C and soft C, and the rules are kind of the same. But the first thing I want to do is I want you to talk about the sounds that they make. Now that hard G is one that you're very familiar with. It's the one that you've learned as the sound for G, and it's that G sound. All right? That's the hard sound, G. Now the soft sound says J. So it makes that J sound, J. And the rules are the same as they were for soft C. If the G in the word is followed by an E, an I, or a Y, it's going to make that soft sound. All right, I want to try some words here. And I'm going to hold up this word hard and this word soft, and I want you to point to what you hear. So if I say the word page, what kind of G do you hear? Do you hear hard or soft? Page. Yep, you hear the soft, so you should have pointed to soft. All right, let's try another one. How about gazed? G. Yep, you heard that G sound, right? How about gym? That's the soft sound, right? How about good? That's that hard sound. How about dodge? That's that soft sound. How about wage? Wage. Yes, that soft sound again. How about gave? Yeah, that G, gave. It's the hard sound. And the last one that we'll do is the word large. What do you hear? That soft J sound, large. Good. All right. So again, there are three sounds that soften G, E-I, E-I-Y. That same sound that the song that we talked about last week, we did it with C. It's the same for G. There are three sounds that soften G, E-I, E-I-Y. All right, let's take a look at some words and try to read them with that rule in mind. All right, and I underlined the letter that follows G to kind of help you remember. So in this word, the G is followed by an E, so it's going to make the J sound, remember? E-I-Y. So this word is dodge, dodge. In this word, it's also followed by an E, so it's going to make that J sound. Age, age. Let's try this one. This time the G is followed by an A, so it's going to make that hard sound. G, azed, gazed. Let's try this one. This time the G is followed by an E. That means it's going to make that soft sound. So stage, stage. I'll hold it up a little bit so you can see the rest of these here. All right, in this next word, the G is followed by an O. So it's going to make the hard sound again. G-ot, got. Oh, this is one of your favorite words. The G is followed by a Y. Remember, E-I-E-I-Y. So there it is. It's the Y, so it's going to make the soft sound. So this is gym, J-M, gym. All right, how about this word? The G followed by an E. Soft sound again. This is the word page, page. How about G followed by a U? The hard sound, right? Gum. All right, let's try this one. G followed by an E. I think we've done enough of those. We know that's the soft sound now. Large, large. And the last one, G followed by an O. Yep, it's the hard sound. And you all know this word, good, good. All right. Now, just like last time, I want you to get a pencil and paper because I'm going to have you write some words now. So if you need to stop the video, just go ahead and hit pause. And when you're ready, I want you to spell the word germ. Germ. Like with this virus, we always try to avoid a germ, right? So before we spell any word that we don't know, we finger spell it. So let's finger spell germ, germ, and then see if you can write germ. See what you come up with. Pause it if you need to. Did you spell germ like this? I hope so. All right. The next word that I want you to write is the word huge. Huge. So let's finger spell it. Huge. Huge. The elephant is a huge animal. See if you can spell the word huge. Pause it if you need to. And see if you spelled huge like this. All right. And the last word that I want you to try to write is the word page. Page. Finger spell it with me. Page. Page. Your lesson is on page 22. Let's go ahead right now. Try and write the word page. Did you spell it like this? All right. Now, before you do your Schoology assignment, of course, you're watching this video, but before you do your Schoology assignment, there is a decodable reader that you can practice with on Schoology 2 called Gauge on Stage. So that'll help you with practice in reading those soft and hard G words. See you soon.